I'm a clean freak and it drives me crazy kalau Kaimano udah numpahin makanan di mobil. Karena susah untuk ngebersihin di area tertentu. Not to worry, karena cordless car vacuum cleaner dari Nozzle helps me so much. Dengan handle yang bisa berotasi 270 angle, jadi bisa lebih gampang ngevakum dari segala arah. And trust me, it is a high suction power up to 8 kPa, so langsung instant clean. Terutama di bagian fabric yang terkadang sulit banget untuk aku bersihin. But with the brush type, serpihan yang paling terkecil pun bisa keangkat. And the most crucial areas, terutama bagian handbrake yang sulit banget aku jangkau. Kita pun juga bisa atur power dari penyedotan. And it's effortless banget untuk aku pakai dan langsung bersih total. Good thing about this cordless car vacuum cleaner, dia punya washable HEPA filter. So it's easy banget buat kita ngebersihin bagian dalamnya. And not to forget, compact banget. Thank you Nozzle for making my days cleaner and easier.
Life is busy, and you shouldn't have to spend your precious time cleaning. Bissell gets that. It's why we engineered our SpotBot Pet Portable Spot Cleaner. It offers hands-free permanent stain removal for tough stains around your home. When messes happen, simply grab the SpotBot, pick between the fresh or set-in stain setting, and walk away while it does the work for you. SpotBot measures and distributes formula on its own to gently remove stains, giving you peace of mind that it's getting the job done. When used with the hose and onboard tools, SpotBot can be used to clean tricky spots like carpeted stairs and car interiors. So it's perfect for cleaning messes pretty much anywhere you and your pets go.
Clean up, vacuum cleaner, clean my room. I'm a clean up, vacuum cleaner, zoom, zoom, zoom. I'm a clean up, vacuum cleaner, clean my room. We work together, we do it better. Like a machine, we're proud it's clean. We know the home, where things belong. The best we can, with our friends.
Vacuum cleaner.